Hey you! Yes, you! Is your Instagram account struggling to gain new followers? Are your likes, reach, and overall engagement plummeting? Then this is the video for you. Watch it till the end and learn how to start dominating Instagram. Start looking at your Instagram page as a website with one product. That product is you. And if you want thousands of people to buy into you and become followers, you need two things: traffic and conversions. First, you need to generate traffic, aka profile visits, to your Instagram page. Then you need to convert that traffic, those profile visits, into followers. This is going to be a no bullshit video with 100% validated information from my own experience growing my personal page to more than 125,000 followers in 1 year. If you appreciate these kinds of videos, please smash the like button, as this will help the YouTube algorithm a lot. Without further ado, let's dive straight into part 1, generating traffic. There are a ton of ways to generate profile visits, aka traffic, to your Instagram page. Here are 8: 𝗧𝗶𝗺𝗲𝗀𝘀, explore page, hashtags, curation pages, collaborations, ads, cross-platform promotion, and of course engagement. The ones that we are going to be focusing on in today's video are engagement, curation pages, and explore page. Engagement is the main keyword for growth for accounts under 5,000 followers. Why? Because of the reciprocity principle. Basically, you need to give the kind of engagement that you want to receive. I scratch your back, you scratch my back. Here is the engagement strategy that has helped me dominate my Instagram presence. Curation pages are also a great way to generate profile visits for your account. Once you already have gained some knowledge on what type of content your audience wants, curation pages cannot be matched in terms of the return on their investment. And once you have found 5 to 10 of them, you can use my template, which you can see on screen right now, in order to outreach them. And lastly, one of the most powerful ways to generate traffic to your Instagram page is through the Explore feature. Similar to hashtags, your content can rank on the Explore tab, bringing you tons of profile visits. If you haven't seen my video on hashtags, make sure you click the link in the top right corner. As for dominating the Explore tab, here are my 3 top tips. First, you have to understand that the Explore page is specific to the user itself. Meaning, every single person on Instagram sees a different explore page based on the category of content that they consume. Keeping this information in your mind can help you categorize your content so Instagram knows exactly what type of audience they need to promote your content to. For example, if you want to reach people who are interested in marketing, it might not be a good strategy to post about your dog or your gaming addiction. You need to keep your content strategy tight, focusing on one category. That way Instagram can promote your profile to the right people. The second tip I have for you in order to rank to the Explore page is utilizing keywords in your visuals as well as in your captions. Instagram scans both the design and text of your posts in order to make sure that they are relevant to the keywords you're using. That's why if you want to categorize your content and be recommended to people who are interested in marketing, you need to make sure you include marketing as a keyword in your captions as well as in your design. Once you have generated traffic to your personal page, obviously you want to convert that traffic into followers. A lot of elements play a role in this section, so make sure you pay attention to all of them. You need to optimize your profile picture, your handle, your headline, the category of your account, your bio, your highlights, your content, and your alternate feeds. In order to keep this video short and sweet, I will be focusing on the 3 most important ones: profile picture, handle, and headline. But in order to not miss out on the future episode in which I will be covering all 8 elements which are important for growing on Instagram, make sure you click the subscribe button below. It only takes a second. Profile pictures. They are the first thing that the user sees when they're visiting your account. So you need to make sure the first impression is worth it. Here are some tips in order to improve your profile picture game. First, be in the center of the frame. Secondly, make it a close-up so you can be seen even in small sizes. Third, have a friendly expression. And fourth, make sure you utilize some of your branded elements. It might be colors, it might be props, it might be a post that you utilize in your brand. As for the handle, the second most important element in your profile picture, you need to make it remembered. Meaning, you need to make your handle remembered easily, no complex words. You need to use optimal letters, no symbols as they look spammy. You need to be careful of the character limit. Keep it short and punchy, maximum 15 characters per handle. And you need to make it keyword intensive. Your handle is searchable on the Instagram app. The headline is one of the most underrated yet powerful elements when it comes down to your Instagram profile. It appears when people search for you in your DMs, as well as Instagram itself recommends you. So you need to make sure you're not making stupid mistakes. For that reason, avoid repeating your handle, not utilizing any specific keywords, and having your headline as well as bio mismatching. You cannot say you are a marketing expert in your headline and then talk all about how you help people design their brands in your bio. You need to make sure these things match. If your Instagram account isn't growing, this can only mean 2 things. A, you aren't generating enough profile visits, aka traffic, to your Instagram page. B, you aren't converting those profile visits into followers for your account. If you'd like to learn how I beat these issues in my personal journey, make sure you watch the next video. This has been the Brave Harry. Thank you so much.